close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Julie Jules World, where creativity begins. I'm so excited to bring this new project to you guys today. And this is a new DIY backpack notebook journal. And I think it came out so beautiful, guys. There's an accessory and it looks just like a backpack, guys. Look at that. Super cute. Look at that. I think that looks so gorgeous. And it has this beautiful pocket in front here that you can put like little notes inside of it or whatever you want. And then the top of it, here I just have this little cute little DIY charm that I made hanging. And then on the side here I just add some more accessories to just kind of make it pop out a little bit more. And that looks beautiful. I love the way it turned out. I love the color combination. And then when you turn around the back, it has this beautiful stripes, blue stripe scrapbooking paper back here. And then they have the ribbon that you can carry it in your hands. And when you open this up, it has that beautiful, look at that. It's so pretty. I love it. I hope you guys can see. Let me pull it out a little bit more. Yeah, and inside of it has a pocket. Put a pocket in there. And then it has 1 and 2 notebooks. And then that's it. If you want, you can put a pocket back here. I didn't put anything. I'm considering putting a pocket back here too as well. You know, I'll see. But I just love the way it is. I love the way it turned out. It's gorgeous. So pretty. And then the bottom has, of course, elastic and the eyelets to hold the books in place. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to put the materials in the description box below, guys. So let's get ahead and get into the tutorial, okay? Okay, guys, the first thing you're going to need is cardstock paper, white cardstock paper. And that measures 3.5 by 11 4/8 of an inch. Okay? And then you're going to cut that out. I did a lot of my stuff a step ahead, guys, so I can make this video short. But yes, you're going to cut that out, and then once you cut that out, you're going to score. You're going to score at 1 3/4 of an inch, 2 1/4 of an inch, and then you're going to score again at 6.5 inch, and then at 7.5 inch, and then it's going to look like that. Okay? This is how it's going to turn out to be. Just like that, guys. So once you finish scoring, we're going to be using some scrapbooking paper to cover these in place like this, okay? You're going to cover there, you're going to cover here, 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 the whole entire thing. So I don't have measurements for scrapbooking paper. Just cut as close as you can to, just don't go over, just like this. It's going to look like that, okay? The collection I'm going to be using is this I purchased from a Hobby Lobby Paper Studio collection. I'm going to use this. So if anyone is interested in purchasing this specific kind, I purchased it from Hobby Lobby, guys, okay? So let's go ahead and finish up. So you're going to get your scrapbooking paper and you're going to cut them out, and then you're going to layer all of them using these right here, tracing one down like that, guys. All right, you're going to be doing that. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side as well. Before you even glue everything down, okay, we are going to be curving our corners, okay, because it's going to look like this. So before we put everything down, we're going to be curving the corners. Now, you don't have to curve the corners at all. You can just leave it like that too. You can leave it just the way it is, guys. But if you want this look, you're going to curve the corners, okay? So let's go ahead and do that right now. All right, there we go. And then you're going to corner punch scrapbooking paper that you're going to put at the top of this as well. So it's going to look like this. So both of them are going to have this right here, and it's going to look like that. And then you can lay your rest of your papers down on there. So let's go ahead and do that. Now it should look like this. You should have the inside covered. And this is how the inside's going to look for mine. And this is how the outside's going to look for mine, okay? Let's go ahead and make our mini pocket, which is this, which we're going to put in the front of our backpack. You're going to need another piece of white cardstock paper. Make sure it's sturdy, guys, okay? You're going to score at 1 1/4 of an inch, and then at 1 1/2 inch, and then another one at 3 1/2 inch. Okay, guys? And then it should look like that. So we're going to cut the corners, okay? Make sure you corner punch it. Okay? Both of it. And then you're going to get some more scrapbooking paper just like you did with this, and then cover this. You don't need to cover the back at all, okay? Because we're going to be gluing that down, okay? You just need to cover this part here, the front, and then the inside. And then we're going to be folding it up like this, and we're going to be gluing the sides, and then you just need to cover this part here, okay? And so once you finish, it's going to look like that, guys. I did this step ahead of time, okay? You have this with scrapbooking paper and that one with scrapbooking paper, and then we're going to cover this top one with scrapbooking paper, okay? And you don't need to do anything else, because once you cover it like that, it's going to be covered like that. After that, we're going to glue the sides, these corners right here, so it can be a pocket, because we're going to glue right down here, and then we're going to fold that up, and that's going to become our pocket, okay? There you go. Then you have that there. Okay, and that's gonna be, this is gonna be my inside, guys. So that's gonna be sitting on the outside of this right here, like that. Let's go ahead and glue this in place, guys. We're gonna glue this right down in the center. Now it should look like this, guys. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put our books inside of here. I'm gonna use this set right here. I purchased this from Hobby Lobby. Let me go ahead and give you the measurements for the books. It's gonna be 2 books, and one is gonna be with printing paper, just printing paper we're going to use, and then the other one's going to be with just for example, this one here that I have here, already pre-made it. These ones are printing paper that I use, just regular printing paper to put inside of it, and you're going to need 10 pages of this, okay, of this one here, and of course your cover, your design paper, scrapbook paper to cover the books, okay? So it's going to be 10 pages in this one here, and then this one here is going to be 5 pages, just because this one here is not in printing paper, it's scrapbooking paper. I just did different designs. I just take some designs from the same collection and just place different designs inside of it, just to change it up a little bit, guys. You don't have to do this. Both of them can just stick with, you can just stick with this printed paper. That's all you need. You can make 2 books of the printed paper. That one requires 5 pages, okay? 5 pages, and then your cover as well. And this one, because it's printing paper and it's more thinner, you need 10 of these. And this one, you're going to need 5 of them if you use the scrapbook paper. Measurements for the notebooks are 3 1/4 of an inch by 4 1/4 of an inch, okay? Once you get the measurements and everything in place, guys, you're going to staple the middle, and it's going to look like this now, guys, okay? And then you're going to do the same thing for this one as well. And then once you're finished, we are going to cut, because it's going to be sticking out. It's going to be long like this, okay? And it's going to be hanging out. They're going to have some papers hanging out. So we're just going to, from 1/4 of an inch in, you're going to cut that piece off right there. Okay, and that's what we're going to do for this notebook. For both notebooks, you're going to do it. I already pre-cut this one. But just to show you, you're going to cut a chunk, just a 1/4 of an inch off, guys. And that's what we're going to do. So let's go ahead and do that. And then we're going to eyelets. I'm going to use the eyelets to put this in place. Now there's no measurements for this neither. We can just mark it like right, just 2 of them right there, and then 2 of them right at the bottom there, okay? And it's going to look like that right there. So let's go ahead and put our eyelets in there, and then you're going to need, of course, your elastic. I have tons of video how to do this, guys. Now you should have 4 eyelets in place, okay? Like that, okay? And now we're gonna go and put some more eyelets at the top here. And the reason why I want to show you this is I just want you to put it inwards. I want you to put it a 1/2 inch from the edge, okay? In 1/2 inch on both sides. Put it right there, because we're gonna be putting another one at the end here to hang our little dangly thing here. If you can see it right here. This one has the little charm hanging on the side there. So just push it in like a 1/2 inch in, and then you're gonna leave room for another one of those. So put those 3 in there, guys. Okay, guys, once you finish putting your eyelets to the top, let me show you. Let me turn it around so you can see. See, you should have 3 of them, okay, and 1 in the corner. All right, because when you close it up, jewelry, you're gonna be hanging inside of here, okay? It's gonna be hanging inside of here. So the next step is we're gonna put 2 more eyelets, guys. I know it's a lot of eyelets this time, but we're gonna put it right at the bottom of these because that's where the ribbon's gonna be going through. Thing you did for this one here, measuring it 1/2 inch in, you're gonna do the same thing for this one, 1/2 inch in, right there, and the same thing, 1/2 inch in. Have one right here and one right there. I went ahead and put the elastic on in advance, so you should now have, let's see, let me move this aside. You should now have 1, 2, 3 eyelets, 2 at the bottom there, 2 at the bottom. Then you should have 1, 2, 3, 4 more for holding the books. Let's go ahead and put our ribbon in there, and then we're gonna put our notebooks in there as well. The last step we're gonna do is just put some Velcro these to shut, okay? And I purchased that from Hobby Lobby. You're gonna need a 24-inch ribbon. Let's go ahead and put our ribbon in, and let's go ahead and flip it on the inside. We're gonna start with the inside, and then we're gonna go ahead and push it through. So it's gonna be this one here, and then you're gonna put through the other one, pull that through, and it should, and then you're gonna make sure you line it up, guys. Make sure you line it up, and it should look like that on the inside. And then we're gonna go ahead and put that through these other 2 at the bottom, okay? And then do the same thing for this one here as well. And we're not gonna pull it all the way tight, guys. We're gonna put a little leverage. We're gonna make sure it's loose, not so tight, so we can be able to grab onto it. So you need some, just let it be like that, whatever length you want it to be. And if you want it to be more further out, you can pull it further out. I'm gonna leave mine like that, and I'm gonna go ahead and tie this at the bottom. Should look like that, and we're just gonna cut out this extra axis, okay? And that should look like that, guys, okay? That's beautiful. Awesome. So once you're finished, let's go ahead and put the books in there. I think that looks so beautiful. I love it. I just love it. Oh my god, it is so cute. I'm gonna make tons of these. It looks like that so far, guys. Looks beautiful. I love it. So we're gonna go ahead and Velcro this stuff on. Fasteners, I got these from Dollar Tree. You can use these. And I'll just go ahead and put that. Just gonna center it right in the middle here, okay? And then we're gonna put it right here as well. Center it, put both of them, and then we can stick it down, and then we're gonna put one in here too. And I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then I think we're gonna wrap it up. After that, we're gonna put one. I think we do need one more eyelet so it can hang. If you want this, if you want a little charm, in the front, go ahead and put yourself one more eyelet after you finish putting your Velcro on. That way you can have that. Go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and put our Velcro on, our closure, and then we can put another eyelet there. And then I think that will wrap it up. Let's sit there for a little bit, guys, and then you're gonna do the same thing for this one here as well. Just cut a little tiny piece of it. I went ahead and put an eyelet right there in the front so we can add some charm. After you finish, you should have it Velcro like this. Your Velcro should be on there as well as on this one too, okay? These two should be Velcro, and that's how it looks. And I think that is it, guys. And we just make our charm, which I made mine ahead of time. Make a charm, cute little charm to put in front, the front and the side. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that on, but I just want you guys to see the finished work. Look at it, beautiful in the inside. I love it. Beautiful. I love this collection. This paper collection is just amazing. And yeah, and that should be it, guys. I think that looks gorgeous, guys. Yep. And that's it for our tutorial, guys. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. And yeah, if you have any questions, please go ahead and put your comment below and let me know. If you guys would like to see some of these in my shop, just let me know as well. I'll put some up for you guys. And you guys will definitely see my next video. Bye, my YouTubers.
Yeah.